Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I've got a pretty neat little Hurd padlock to share with y'all on Stock Lock Sunday. It's a 45 mil all brass Hurd padlock. It is a US set, and I just got this the other day and I purchased it on eBay, and what caught my eye was the key. And as you can see, it's got 6 cuts for 6 pins. And when I first purchased it, I didn't realize there was warding on the key, but I did notice there was 6 pins, and it's got a nice little warded keyway, something you don't normally see on a Hurd padlock, and I thought that was quite cool. But very interesting. Most Hurd padlocks have that keyway, and that's the only keyway I ever seen from Hurd up until I got this guy, and I just thought it was cool, and oddly enough, nobody else bid on it, so I got it at a really good deal. I think I paid like 15 bucks for this guy. So without further ado, let's see if we can't pick this guy open. Use top of the keyway, 40 thousandths pry bar, and use my Peterson 18 thousandths standard hook. I went right to pin 4 or 5, got a little click and a slight core movement. Zoom in a little bit for y'all. There we go. So I picked this once yesterday, and I found that it is chucked full of security pins, spools and serrated, I believe. That was pin 6, and I got a really deep false set now, as you can see. We're just trying to find some feedback here. Pin 1 had some counter rotation, and I got a set. I believe that was pin 4, and you got a deep false set. That was pin 6 again, and an even deeper false set. Look how deep that is. Pin 2, a little click, and lost my false set. Back to pin 6, and we got the open. And there you go. And definitely a cool little Hurd padlock. Never seen anything like it, and I definitely didn't expect security pins out of Hurd, but there you have it. Very cool US set 45 mil padlock, all brass, just gorgeous, and nice beautiful little key, and yeah, thought y'all would like that. And I enjoyed it, and glad to have that one in my collection. And that's all I got for this one. Peace.